Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your address on Instacart. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your address on Instacart, firstly open your Instacart application. The home page of Instacart application will be displayed on the screen. Tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Account Settings. On the next page, click on Addresses. Click on the current location shown there and shift or change the location, then click on Done. This is how you can change your address on Instacart application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.